Hi again. Here, we'll take a look at the libraries we'll use in this course. The good thing about Anaconda is that many libraries, among which Pandas and Matplotlib, come automatically with it. That's a strong plus of Anaconda. You don't have to install the main packages separately, as you might have to do if you were to use some other software for programming in Python. For our data visualization purposes, we'll make use of the Seaborn library. Since it is not automatically installed, we must learn how to install it on our own. Actually, that's a useful programming skill to have. The quickest way to install a package is by opening your Start menu and searching for the Anaconda prompt. To install Seaborn, please type pip install Seaborn in the following way. Pip, per se, means either pip install packages or pip installs Python. Strange, but true. Now press Enter. When the operation is done, you will be set up for the whole course. This is one of the quickest and easiest ways to install modules and packages on your computer in general. We are all set and ready to start coding. Thanks for watching.